Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to choose the best loan repayment term on Upstart in 2025. So Upstart offers different loan terms, typically ranging from 3 to 5 years, and here's how to pick the best one. So let's get into it. The first thing you got to do is to understand your loan term options. So short-term loans, that is the 3 years loans, higher monthly payments but less interest paid overall. Whereas the longer loan terms, that's the 5 years terms, they have lower monthly payments but more interest paid over time. So you're gonna get you pay more per month on shorter loan terms, but overall the interest is much less. Whereas on the longer loan terms, you pay less each month, but by the time you go through the calculations, you're gonna find that you've paid a lot more over time. So the next to do is to compare monthly payment versus total interest cost. So use Upstart's loan calculator to see how your monthly payment changes based on the loan terms, and you can also check how much total interest that you pay over the life of the loan. You also want to pick a term that fits your budget. So if you can afford higher payments, a shorter loan term is better, but if you need smaller payments, then a longer loan term might be necessary. So yes, you're gonna pay higher payments for shorter terms, but if that's okay with you, if you can afford to pay higher just so you don't have to pay a lot more interest, then you go for that. But if you need smaller payments, if you can't afford much money at once, you could choose the smaller payments, but then you're gonna pay more interest over time. But if that's not an issue, then you can just go with whichever one suits you the best. And also you want to consider early repayment. So Upstart has no prepayment penalties, so you can choose a longer loan term and pay extra when possible, and that's going to help you to cut down that interest. And if your income increases, you can pay off the loan even faster, just to help you save up on a lot of interest. Also, you can choose the most cost-effective options. That's a good way to decide. You can choose the most cost-effective options. So if your goal is minimal interest, then you want to choose the shortest loan term that you can afford. Whereas if you need more flexibility, then a longer loan term with early repayments is a very good balance. Yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found this information useful enough in helping you to decide. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.